vlog again. Ayan, na vlog. Welcome to my mini unboxing. Ayan, i-unbox natin ang ating the new Maono. Ayan, will be again for thank you so much for my generous sponsor as always, Sir Bill. Yay! Ayan, thank you so much a lot, Sir Bill. And then thank you for all the blessing. Thank you so much, Sir Bill, and God bless you more and your family and your kids. Ayan, we'll be unboxing the new Maono. Ayan, Maono sounds card. Okay, let's go, guys. And this is it. Ayan. Fan talaga ako ng Maono. Ayan. Yung una ko din Maono. Ayan. And then ito na. Maono ulit. Kasi parang feeling ko nga, ang ganda talaga ng ano niya. Sound feedback niya, pati sa mic. Paganda siya. And MAONOCASTer. Ayan. AU-AM100 series. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Yun. Alright, unboxan na. The Maono card. Manual. A letter, the customer, MAONOCASTer. And the styrofoam. And then the free jack. There's a 2 jack. And this one, a charger of the Maono and USB. And dun, this is the Maono, the sounds card. I will try if it's good. It's AU-AM100 series. This one will be open. Okay, power on. This is the power on in the back. She's working. Ayan. And they have a lights. See the lights? Okay. Ayan. KTB. They have a lots of mode. Sana all maraming mode. Alright, okay, this is the Maono will be try. Tomorrow will be try. Ayan. I will try this in my live. So, we'll see. This is so good. Or this is much better. Okay, thank you so much again for this sponsor by Sir Bill. Thank you so much. And God bless more to you. And thank you for helping me a lot. Thank you so much. And God bless more to you, Sir Bill, and to your family. Ayan. Thank you, and to all supporting me every time I live stream. Thank you so much, and to all my members. Thank you, and God bless more to you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you like my unboxing, short unboxing, guys. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to share. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.